Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. If you are here for the first time, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I thank you for returning. Today's video is a grocery haul and it is in collaboration with some other wonderful ladies here on YouTube. So be sure to check out the playlist that will be listed in the description box below. Also, this collaboration is hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6 as well as Jessica from Jessica Myrose. So be sure to also check out their videos as well as their channels that will be linked in the description box below. Now without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I ended up going to 3 different stores. My first store that I ended up going to was Menards. My husband wanted some milk chocolate peanuts, so we ended up getting those. Then we needed some more surface wipes, so we got 2 packs of those. We needed some more TP here, best known as toilet paper. We ended up getting that from Menards. Then I've already cracked these open, but we ended up getting these too. Actually, I got them for me though because I had a taste for, you know, these this brand of this licorice here. So, and I wanted to taste it because it's different from the flavor that I usually get, which is strawberry. So it was pretty tasty. But yes, I ended up breaking that open before I even got home. Then it's my birthday coming up. By the time you all see this video, my birthday would have passed. But today, creating this video, it's my birthday. So because of that, I wanted some caramel cake. I usually get it like pretty much once a year because the caramel itself can be so rich at times. But I got this from Kroger's. I don't know if you guys have a Kroger's. It may be a different store name in your state. But yeah, I ended up getting that for today, 2 slices here. I probably won't eat both slices. Most likely my hubby will eat the other slice. Then we go to our Walmart pickup here that we ended up doing. So I love these bird's eye loaded potatoes here. These are so delicious and I ended up getting 3 packs of these. I recommend these highly. Anything pretty much by Bird's Eye I pretty much like. So 1, 2, 3. Then we needed some more French toast, the Eggo thick and fluffy French toast. My kids and just my entire family, they love that. Then we needed some more sausage and egg cheese croissant sandwiches, so we got those. Hubby wanted some more of the original Great Value potato chips, so we got those for him. Then I also ended up getting sandwich here. This is not for me, it's for hubby. The white meat chicken and bacon ranch sub. He gets these for work a lot of times. Then he also wanted the turkey and cheddar sub as well. Then I got some more of my cauliflower Parmesan soup. This soup is delicious. For the most part, I get it almost every week, if not every other week. Then these I believe we got for the kids or my hubby. He likes these chewy dip peanut butter bars. So we got those in a pack of 20. Then I had a taste for the flavored water here. This is on my favorites video, which I will link in the description box. But I like this Splash Blast lemon what do you call this, water here, flavored water. Anyway, I got that, but I did bust it open before I got home too, because you know our girl was thirsty. Then I ended up getting the iced tea here for my hubby. He likes that. I think it's sweet iced tea actually. We needed 1 more gallon of milk because we already had 1 gallon already, so we just got 1. Me, I love my honey bunches of oats, so I got those. Kiddos, we got the, what is this, mega size Reese's Puffs here, and also the cinnamon mega size Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We needed some more eggs, so we got those. Then I always like these Yasso bars here. These are delicious. I recommend these highly. My girl Joy Neville, she turned me on to getting these here, and that didn't sound right at all. Anyway, she recommended these and I ended up getting them, and I have been liking them ever since. Then we got some fruit. Usually like to get those. Hubby wanted those. We got 2 of them, the mangoes, for diced mangoes for his lunch. Then we ended up getting some gum. I got 2 packs of gum here. We usually like to have those. Got some more vinegar. I usually like to have that for cleaning purposes, as well as 4 boxes of the baking soda. I like to have those on hand. I pretty much get them every week, if not every other week. We got some more oranges. Then I ended up also getting, hubby wanted to have this Johnsonville, what is this? Johnsonville Sausages here. So we got those for him. He needed some more deodorant, so we got this Old Spice Swagger. You gotta put a little swagger in the life. He needed those, so we got those for him. Then I ended up getting the maple flavored pork sausages for breakfast for the family. I love this Morningstar. Pretty much a lot of Morningstar products, like the Bird's Eye things. I like a lot of their products, but I needed some more of the chickpea patties, so I ended up getting those. Then of course, you know, I always pretty much have, let me move this stuff out of the way, I had to get my 7 cheese pizza. Yes, that's what I ended up getting, people, because I had to have it in my life. Then we have the chicken stir fry Bird's Eye. My hubby wanted that, so we got that. Then we have the Bird's Eye Alfredo chicken, so we ended up getting that as well. So I also ended up getting these mirrors here, so one for my son in black, as well as white for my daughter, because they keep using our mirrors in our bedroom and I don't like that. So they got these $7 mirrors here that I can post on their walls in their bedroom area, so they'll leave our stuff alone, people. Okay, you guys, so that completes my haul for today. I ended up getting 75 points for the 3 receipts that I ended up using in my Fetch apps. I did have more points, I'm sure of, but I have not did my Walmart electronically, because like I said and mentioned earlier, I did a Walmart pickup, and so you have to make sure that your app is connected to the your email is connected to the app that you are using. And unfortunately, my email for Walmart is connected to my Yahoo account, not my Gmail account. And the Gmail is the one that I use most often. So I can't give you guys the points that I have gotten from Walmart, but I can tell you that I know that I did spend with the additional things of getting from I'm losing my train of thought, people. I'm looking outside instead of talking to you. Anyway, with me getting the mirrors, we spent I think $177 and some change, but that is just from Walmart. And we ended up spending $24 from Menards, and then I did get that caramel cake as well, and I think that was like $4 for that. So I will put on the screen somewhere here or here what my total is for everything. This is for a family of 4 that I am getting these items for, just to let you guys know. It's not just for hubby and myself. But anyway, I thank you guys for being here and looking at what I decided to get from the store this week. Also, I want to thank Jessica Myrose as well as Tiffany from Small Town 6 for having this collaboration on a monthly basis. Be sure to also check out the playlist of all the other fabulous ladies that are a part of this collab, and I will see you guys in the next one.